How to reply a tweet on Twitter using mobile. Hello everybody, welcome back to the channel. Today I'll guide you on how you can reply a tweet on Twitter using your mobile. Now, first what you want to do is open up the Twitter and log into the account, and you'll get an interface like this with your For You page and following page. You'll be able to find all your For You tweets on For You page, and the person you have followed, their tweets will be shown up on your following. Now, to reply to a tweet, first what you want to do is open up the tweet right here. I'll open up one, and then at the bottom of your screen you can find the comment icon. Here at the bottom of tweet you can see the comment icon right there. Now what you want to do is tap on it and you'll get an option to tweet your reply. Now here you'll be able to reply to a tweet this way. Now you can type in your reply, and then what you want to do after typing in is tap on the reply option. Now you can tweet various images by tapping on gallery icon here. You can choose gallery from your device, or what you can do is reply as a GIF or various options. So simply tap on reply and then you'll be able to reply a tweet on Twitter. So this way you can reply a tweet on Twitter using your mobile. Hope this helped you. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.